Hello and welcome to another episode of Minding My Business. How are you today? Today we're going to be talking about making a definite plan for your day. I know it seems like, okay, definite plans, we get up each day and we know that we have to work and we go to work, but that's not enough when you're a small business. You have to have structure, and a definite plan help you to have the structure that you need to make your small business successful. Because as small entrepreneurs, we have to get our hands on everything to make it work, because most of the times we are the worker bee in our own companies. So we get very distracted, we multitask, we get overwhelmed, we get anxieties when we forget things, we get emotional and panic attacks when we disappoint our customers. And so going through that ritual, that regiment of the day can make us very sidetracked from the things that are important to keep our small business going. As I say, DIY can be the death of your small business. So if you don't have a definite plan for each day, you'll find that you just roll with the punches and you're reacting all day versus taking action with a definite plan. Alright, so how do I, as a small entrepreneur, ensure that each day I am doing the things that are necessary for the continuity and the growth of our business? KCD had to come to that at some point, else we would have been out of business. Definite plan. Give each day a purpose. For example, Mondays can be your planning day, Tuesdays your accounting day, Wednesdays inventory day, Thursdays marketing day, Fridays collection days. If each day don't have a definite plan, you'll find that you go through every day of the week and find that you don't have enough days. Each day is like you don't have enough time in a day, and you don't get some important things done until they catch up with you. You're ready to pay bills and realize that there's no money in the kitty because you didn't send out the invoices and you didn't call up the customers to collect. Duh, these things happen. They have happened to us, and so we're just sharing that experience to prevent it from happening to you. Second thing that we do at KCD is to create habits of excellence. Habits of excellence for us are setting time signals. So you have your devices. See, I'm using up mine. I make my little notes for this show on it so that I can jog my memory as I speak. Use your smartphones to make your business smarter. I set time signals. Okay, I'm busy doing something now. I know that at 3 o'clock I need to take a breather to go work on the collection part of my day. I just simply press, "Hey Siri, please set alarm for 3 o'clock to work on collections." Siri say, "Okay, your alarm is set, you're good to go." No matter what I'm doing, Siri reminds me at 3 o'clock that it's time to stop to work on the collections. Another thing that we do here is to write down everything. Have a notepad and pencil or pen handy so that you're talking on the phone to customers, you make notes, because I can tell you one thing. We as small entrepreneurs are so engrossed in what we're doing, and because we have to deal with so many things reacting, we quickly forget the minute we come off the phone that we talk to somebody and promise to send them a quotation. So just jot down things. So I have a notepad for each day, a scrap of paper, and on that scrap of paper I write down every conversation I have for the day. Whether the person walks in, they call in, they email, I transcribe that to a sheet of paper and tick them off as I go throughout the day. At the end of the day, I double check that paper to ensure that everything that I promised to do is done, or I put it forward to tomorrow if I've run out of hours in the day. Another habit of excellence is to ensure that when you plan your day, you don't just make a long list of to-do things, because that's overwhelming. Narrow it down to say 3 vital things that you must do today to ensure that you're setting up a future of tomorrows that will continue to work like clockwork. for you because you did not drop the ball today on something that is vital. So one of the things I know we're very good at making very long to-do lists. And on that to-do list, nothing gets done because we have defeated ourselves before we start. So make a short to-do list of just 3 vital business processes or things that must be done today that you ensure that you do no matter what. You do those tasks before the end of the day, and you will ensure that you're setting up a bright and a prosperous future for your business tomorrow. That's it in a nutshell. How to manage your small business without getting overwhelmed because you're the most times where the worker bee, the DIY, doing everything ourselves, is to make a definite plan for each day. What this will do is to ensure that the compound effects of each day doing a small amount of these small things will go into the future of your business and ensure that you are minding your business for years and years to come. Until another episode of Minding My Business, keep minding your business.